Alright, what's going on, everybody? Here we are in Lucerne, in Switzerland. I just went and checked out the Lucerne Lion, which is not too far away from this beachfront, but I'm going to walk this beachfront, have a little chat, share with you my thoughts and feelings about Lucerne and Switzerland in general. So, I took the train from Zurich to Zug, where I just transferred. I didn't actually go to Zug, although for those of you who do cryptocurrency, you know that Zug is Crypto Valley, as it's known. So there's a lot of blockchain projects in Zug, but I did not actually go there and walk around because I was on a train ticket to Lucerne. So Zurich is a special place, and so is Lucerne. But Zurich's a lot more expensive than Cern, or Lucerne is a lot less expensive than Zurich. Essentially is what I was trying to say. Plus they got the lion here, which Zurich does not have. But Zurich's special in its own right. I like it. It's a sophisticated city. But this one, Lucerne, might just be a diamond in the rough. I mean, look at this. Got that restaurant there. Got that really awesome mountain that just cascades right into the lake. So that's pretty cool. Very small town village kind of feel, but it's got a tourist vibe to it. So as you can see, a lot of these people are probably not residents of Lucerne. They're more tourists. Now, I did get a Swiss watch and a Swiss Army, Swiss military sunglasses. Plus, I got a Swiss Army knife. Not like crazy knife or anything, but you know, still pretty nice. Can't take it on the airplane. I have to put it into my carry-on, but still pretty cool. Just a switch, whatever you want to call it, Swiss Army kit. It's more like it's got a bottle opener and a little, like, I guess if you're trout fishing, you could cut the scales off your trout so you could eat it. But that, I mean, that's about all that knife would be good for. But yeah, I've been needing a new watch. And I lost my pair of sunglasses, so what better place to scoop that up than Switzerland. So here you go, you got some pretty cool little birds. Obviously some swans, some ducks. I mean, 24 to 48 hours in Lucerne is not a bad idea. I don't know that I've spent weeks here just hanging. I mean, it's relaxing. It's a place I'd relax. I could relax here. But I don't know, like, I'm trying to go to Interlaken, which is an hour and a half away. So there's a lot of places you can go to just kind of walk around in Switzerland within train. It's really, that's the whole thing. I guess you could kind of set up shop in Lucerne and then just go to like Rhine Falls, go to Zurich. So like you can make Lucerne a home base, but if you're just looking to like walk around Lucerne for like over a week, I don't know if that's a good idea. Might get bored. Should be really relaxed though. It's freaking relaxing. Look at this. That water is clear. God, it's see-through. clean water. Lake water. I guess we're gonna go across the street here. Just gotta wait for the light to turn. This place is called Lucerne. Like I said, there's within very close to proximity, there's Interlaken, which is where I plan to go tomorrow. I'm gonna buy another night here in Lucerne, and I'm gonna try and go to Interlaken, Grindelwald, and Ladderbrunnen, all very close to here. If I can see those three things, then I'll be good to move on to the next place. I'll probably take a train from here to, I think, Bern, and then it's looking like I'm going to be going towards Spain, Portugal, which means that I got to go through France. Because the other plan was I was going to go south from here, which, if you don't know, is Italy. But because the Alps are kind of in the way of that, I'd have to wrap around and then go into Italy, which I still might do. It just depends on when I go to the train station, kind of what they say. And just in case you're tuning into this journey, I've actually taken the train, no airplanes, only trains from Amsterdam all the way here. So I went Amsterdam to Berlin, which was about 7 hours. From Berlin to Prague, which was about 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours. From Prague to Vienna, which was, what, how long was that? That was like 4 hours. And then from Vienna to Salzburg, I got off the train, kind of walked around to see if I wanted to stay there. And I decided to just push forward onto Zurich. So I arrived at Zurich so that ended up being like a 7-hour train ride from Vienna to Zurich. But I had to buy a whole new train ticket in Salzburg, Austria, which is where Mozart's from. For those of you who are curious where you've heard that. Also, if you're new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe and hit like if you like videos like this, because I'm going to keep traveling, and one of the things that helps me keep traveling and showing you guys stuff like this is your guys tuning in and showing that you have an interest in content like this. Also, you can click that bell and get notified. So what I mean by that is if I post, because it's just me right now, which it could change to more people. Yeah, you get notified every time we post a video about places around the world. I mean, this isn't professional video production, but I mean, it's like virtual reality, really. It shows you what it's like to actually be here without much editing, which is what I like. This is the kind of footage that I like, because I like to know what the place really looks like without the photoshops and the edits and all that, you know. So a long walking tour shows you, gives you a real vibe of the place, which this place has it. I mean, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Like, how come no one talks about these places in Switzerland? Like, I mean, I know that people talk about it, but this whole country is unbelievable. This whole country is unbelievable. I mean, from Austria, second you cross the border from Liechtenstein, I think that's what it's called, which, don't ask me what, that's actually a country, I didn't even know it. It's like got 36,000 people that live there. I'm still trying to find out why it exists. But I'd imagine you got to be like, ready to be a citizen there, you probably got to be making money. Literally making money, not just earning money, but like making money. Because I think the bankers live there. So what a beautiful walk that is. That is really beautiful. Look at flowers all along the way. These are real flowers too, just in case you're wondering. Let's make sure. That's a real flower. You can see, I just touched it. That is a real flower. I'm not going to pick it, but that is not a fake flower. That is pretty cool. That actually is something that I didn't even realize. Those are real flowers, and they're colorful all along the way. Look at them all. Okay. So, see, I was going to talk about something else. I guess, I mean, pretty much concludes this walking tour because, well, I can keep walking. But yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. If you enjoy videos like this, you can also go back and watch videos just like this from Prague. I'm going to be posting one from Berlin. I did not do the one from Amsterdam yet. I've been kind of limited on Wi-Fi, but I've got Prague, London, and Dublin on there. So if you've ever wanted to go to any of those places. Also, I've got Tokyo from my last Asian tour, and I've got some stuff from Hong Kong. You just search my channel, just videos just like this, those places. And I'm actually I'm pretty current on travel destinations around the world, so if it's an amazing place, it's really not likely that it's going under my radar, although